Oh man, oh man. We have to come close the man from the line.
Watch out, you know say, Icy gang, I keep a party, we call Icy Lifestyle. And then me I get suit up for go. The party I got tough man. Remember me tell if I even put my teeth, me have to make it.
That's everything me close off my line, brethren.
Me know, me general, me
So how
know.
far that I keep?
You know say Tivoli girl know the party I keep.
So when that?
You know say July the 15th, but me G, you see if you have a woman, don't bring her, that jar. You hear me I say?
So me that's my woman for brethren.
You hear them say, woman are already dead there. You see it, and you hear them say already, you can't carry Sanga Beach. Leave her, that jar. Party I got tough.
A matter of fact, your shoes are in a party.
Eh?
Yo, all this man, all this man.
You know if you chuck it from sir.
Make sure me get my things them in the charge.
Majala, watch out now. Watch out now. Watch out now. Watch out now. Remember say me here friend, you know, watch out now. You can take a look at perfume and when you watch it chain them.
Bad man, you know say I get too feisty, my brother. You come in my house and I team me things them, brother. And I talk about rare. Brother,
No,
take what me give you, brother, and bring back me thing them, come give me charge.
You couldn't give
The
me
brother, brother, bring back me thing them, brother.
You couldn't give me even a chance.
No, charge it. Go on, left out of me here. Left out of me here. Come out of me here.
What?
Make sure me get me thing them. Come out of me here.
Watch.
Left out of me here, Bridget.
Watch. Just hear me.
Bridget, left out of me here.
My fam.
Make sure me get me thing them.
Alright, yo, I get them back. Watch out now. And remember, you know, everybody get suit up for the party. You see it? Rush go out and get on the kicks them. You know what this? And night this. Remember, it's way again. I'm out. Yeah, I get them back, yeah?
Yeah, man, make sure me get me thing them, Bridget.
Say you can't give me the chain.
No, Bridget, left from out, I'm gonna give you a big stone. Left from here. Left me here, Bridget, before you get that